In the business report, the Development Bank of Jamaica has been allocated $2 billion in the next fiscal year's budget on lend to the micro, small, and medium enterprise sector. Newly appointed Managing Director Dr. David Lowe says his leadership will be centered on the creation of a more agile, responsive, and innovative DBJ, which will allow members of the MSME sector to have greater access to affordable financing. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has lifted its suspension of MFS Capital Partners Limited from trading on its junior market effective Friday, March 7. As such, trading in the shares has resumed, having been suspended on December 31 last year. All outstanding issues that led to the suspension of trading in MFS shares have now been addressed. In a regulatory posting, JSE Managing Director Dr. Marlene Street Forrest commented, quote, MFS Capital Partners Limited is now in compliance with rules of the JSE and there is no reason for the shares to remain suspended, end quote. The earnings season continues with reports from listed companies. Sagicor Group Jamaica audited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024, reports 36% decrease in year-end net profit attributable to shareholders. Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited's audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024, reports year-end net profit of $83.88 million. Jamaica Producers Limited's audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024, reports a year-end net profit of $1.61 billion. Berger Paints Jamaica Limited's audited financials for the year ended December 31, 2024, reports year-end net profit of $105.68 million. Up next, we have the market highlights from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending March 7, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Global shipping and logistics provider Kingston Wharves Limited, with 4,003,132 units traded, representing 17.12% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 2,269,941 units traded, representing 9.71% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited, with 2,213,497 units traded, representing 9.47% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 7, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $63.47 million purchased and US $61.56 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.53 per dollar, selling the US at $157.87 and buying the US at $156.34. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.13 per transaction, with selling at $110.29 and buying at $109.16. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7.17 in profits, with selling at $202.16 and buying at $194.99. For our credit report tip of the day, divorce can take a toll, not just emotionally, but financially. If your credit took a hit, rebuilding it isn't just about getting on your feet. It's about creating new opportunities for wealth. A strong credit score can open doors to multiple streams of income. Here's how. Consider that your credit can help you qualify for business loans. A higher credit score helps secure funding to start or expand a side hustle or full-time business. Alternatively, you can leverage credit for real estate investing. With good credit, you can access mortgage loans or home equity lines to invest in rental properties.